Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to organize your finances for beginners. If you're a newbie in the world of personal finance, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through a journey where you'll learn the best ways to organize your finances in a simple but effective way. You don't need to be an economic expert to take control of your finances, so let's get started. Point 1. Set financial goals. The first thing you should do is set clear financial goals. What do you hope to achieve with your finances? This could include buying a home, retiring early, paying off debt, or simply saving for future expenses. By having clear goals, you can give your money a purpose and motivate yourself to take steps to achieve them. Point 2. Know your income and expenses. The next step is to know your income and expenses. Make a detailed list of all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, additional income, investments, etc. Then, record all your monthly expenses, from rent and food to streaming subscriptions and dining out. This will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. Point 3. Create a budget. Once you have an idea of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. A budget is like a map to guide you in your financial decisions. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. Then, assign a specific amount to each category and make sure your expenses don't exceed your income. A budget helps you control your spending and make informed decisions about how to spend your money. Point 4. Control your spending. Once you have a budget, it's important to keep track of your spending. You can do this in many ways, such as keeping a manual log in a notebook, using expense tracking apps, or simply reviewing your bank statements regularly. The key is to be aware of what you are spending your money on and adjust your budget if necessary. Point 5. Save and invest. Saving is a fundamental part of financial organization. You should set aside a portion of your income for an emergency savings fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Also, consider investing some of your money in high-yield savings accounts, retirement accounts, or long-term investments. Compound interest can make your money grow over time and help you reach your financial goals. Point 6. Reduce debt. If you have debt, whether it's in the form of credit cards, student loans, or mortgages, it's important to work on reducing it. Establish a plan to pay off your debts, prioritizing debts with higher interest rates. As you pay off your debts, you will have more money available to save and invest. Point 7. Planning for retirement. It is essential to start saving for retirement at an early age. Retirement accounts offer tax advantages and are an excellent way to build a nest egg for your golden years. Choose investments that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and time horizon. Point 8. Personal insurance. Insurance is a crucial part of sound financial planning. Make sure you have adequate health, life, auto, and home insurance. These insurances can protect you from unexpected expenses and provide financial security for your family in case of emergencies. Point 9. Diversify your investments. If you decide to invest, it is important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying means investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other financial instruments. This helps reduce risk and balance your investments. Point 10. Continuing financial education. Financial education is an ongoing process. There is always something new to learn in the world of finance. Read books, follow YouTube channels like this one, attend seminars, and stay informed about financial trends. The more you know, the better financial decisions you can make. Point 11. Evaluate and adjust. Finally, remember that your financial situation will change over time. There may be increases in income, unexpected expenses, or changes in your financial goals. Therefore, it is important to regularly evaluate and adjust your financial plan so that it remains relevant and effective. In short, organizing your finances as a beginner doesn't have to be overwhelming. So don't waste any more time and start taking action today. You have the power to achieve financial stability.